We love this gracious and elegant family home. It has outstanding curb appeal, huge room sizes, and has been fully updated. Come on, I want to show you my favorite room. The garden room. Literally flooded with light, lets the outdoors in, high ceilings, marble floors, walks out to this beautiful patio with an in-ground heated saltwater pool and totally private gardens. Oh, this room is so peaceful.
With more people working from home these days, a comfortable home office has become so imperative. And what better space to work from than this cozy room with an open flame gas fireplace?
Here's another great feature. Care for a martini?